Hello you guys, it's Lauren. Welcome back to my channel for the love of. If you're joining me for the first time, I want to say welcome and thank you for taking the time to click on this Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale. Finally made it in store. Semi-annual sale haul. If you're a returning viewer or subscriber, welcome on back as always. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope everyone's hanging in there, of course. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale haul. Those of you who have followed my channel for a while, I did post a couple weeks ago a Bath & Body Works online haul. None of that was semi-annual sale. So this was actually 2 days ago. 2 days ago. My first time getting into Bath & Body Works since they've opened up semi-annual sale. The stores in my area slowly started opening up. So I was able to hop into one to check out and see what they got. You guys, before I dive into the haul, I do want to mention, if you're curious on any of the items, check the description of my video. I did start time-stamping everything in this video and my other videos if you want to jump ahead to specific products. Those of you who are here for home fragrance, all of my home fragrance lovers, this is not going to be that video. I don't have any wallflowers. I don't have any soaps. I have a candle and a couple little sanitizer items. But those of you who love BODYCARE, stick around because this is going to be 99% BODYCARE. So I will have it in the description of the video for those of you that want to jump around. And without further ado, let's get into the haul. All right, you guys, so before I dive into the actual haul, I do want to mention, I know a lot of people are talking about this. The one thing that Bath & Body Works was doing that I do appreciate because of the whole COVID situation and cleanliness and sanitization, when you're at the store, when you walk in, you're actually greeted. There's someone up front who asks you, at least at the location I shopped at, if you wanted a large bag, medium bag, or small bag. I actually just grabbed a medium bag for starters, and obviously I wound up leaving with an additional bag. And then once you check out, when you get to the cash register, what they do is they actually just staple your receipt right to the bag so they know you paid. I know there's been some people mentioning, saying that it's kind of weird that they're stapling the receipts to the bag. I didn't mind it. I just think it makes sense to me. So I did appreciate that they were kind of thoughtful with making sure, you know, you're not reusing bags. I did see the cashiers cleaning off the counters and pin pads and things like that in between customers. So hats off to Bath & Body Works for being on top of their stuff. I'm going to give you guys the price points of the items, and I'm of course going to grab at random. So actually, no, I'm going to show you guys this first. So I happened to go in, and I'm so glad I was able to go in store on the day this was on sale. So I grabbed 2 sugar scrubs. Those of you who have watched me for a while, you'll know the only time I buy Bath & Body Works BODYCARE, almost only time, is during semi-annual sale. These are just too expensive otherwise. These both retail, they're $16.50 a piece. I did get them on the promotion when they had a $5 select BODYCARE promotion. And I did also have a 10 off 40 coupon that I used to my total. So the exiting price was $4.20. Not bad. Of all the Bath & Body Works sugar scrubs, body scrubs, the kind that I kind of prefer the most, let me show you guys. I actually prefer just their pure sugar scrubs. I actually like those more so than like their sand scrubs or even like their holiday scrubs they had this past holiday season. For whatever reason, when there's anything added in it other than sugar, it tends to like clog the drain. So I always try to gravitate towards the ones that are pure sugar. So that's what these are. Let me tell you what they smell like. I had to grab pink watermelon. Everyone's been talking about this one. And I was on the fence. I wasn't even gonna look at this line because I don't like fruity type BODYCARE. I just don't, but this one's really good. This just smells like, this is the pink watermelon. This smells like Bath & Body Works had a watermelon type candle. I think it was maybe last summer. Kind of reminds me of that. It also reminds me of Yankee Candle's Juicy Watermelon. That's kind of what this smells like. So this is the pink watermelon. If you like sweetsy sugary, grab this one. I do like that it's not overly sweet. It's just the right amount. The other one that I grabbed was the raspberry tangerine. They also had Pretty as Peach. I'm not a peach fan, at least in BODYCARE, so I didn't get that one. There was also a citrus one as well, but this was my second favorite, and this was the raspberry tangerine. This is a really pretty blend. It almost smells like a cocktail, like a yummy mixed drink. It's a really pretty blend of like a tart, zesty, raspberry with a little bit of a smooth citrus. Those of you who like a hint of citrus, definitely check this one out. This one's really pretty. So I got 2 of those. Not bad. Like I said, they were $4 and some change. So these are the only 2 items I got that were not on sale, but I grabbed them right at the cash register right before I was checking out because I had to. Typically during semi-annual sale, their spray sanitizers are on promotion. If I remember in seasons past, they're usually on sale for like maybe $3 or $4. I think because these are the new packaging, they were not on sale. So these retail for, I believe it is, the prices fell off. These retail for $6.50. Kind of pricey for hand sanitizer, but again, I had the coupon and I believe it did take it off. So yeah, they came to $5.46. Still kind of pricey, but I do like to have these on hand. I grabbed a French lavender, and you guys know I love my lavender fragrances. This one, it's just like a clean, fresh lavender. Really good fragrance, pretty much for any time of the season. And this one's pretty strong. Usually their lavender soaps and sanitizers do have a really strong herbaceous lavender. And then, this might surprise you guys, but the eucalyptus mint, I actually tried the tester in store. And this one, this is a really nice fragrance. I know it's sanitizer, but just for smelling purposes, this smells really good. It's very clean, very, very fresh. I'm not a huge mint person, but the eucalyptus note in this makes it really clean and fresh. If you're looking for like a neutral type scent that's not overly floral, definitely check this one out. Always a good thing to have on hand, so I grabbed 2 of those. I had to grab these. I love when these go on sale. I was so happy to see these on sale. I'll show you this one first. So this is the water line. So this is the hyaluronic acid moisturizing body wash. I love the creamy body washes. They obviously don't go on promotion too much. This was 50% off. It originally retailed for $13.50. It's just a very light, clean scent. I actually have the alcohol-free body mist of this one. You can use it like in your gym bag or just like as a clean spritz of freshness. I usually don't use Bath & Body Works body sprays too much, but that one I do like to keep for just like in the car or on the go. I do enjoy the fragrance of this. It's just very light, not perfumey at all if you just want clean, fresh. This one came to, it was originally $13.50, $5.67 a piece. This is the very creamy, ultra rich body wash. I won't be using these in the summer. I'll probably wind up using these like in the fall and winter. So I will show you guys the consistency if it doesn't go all over. It's almost like a lotion-like consistency. So if you guys see these in store, don't get confused. I'm sure a lot of people wind up grabbing these thinking they're lotions. The other one I grabbed, one of my all-time favorites, had to. So this is the Sleep. This is the Lavender Cedarwood Aromatherapy line. This is one of my favorite scents. It's been for a while of the Aromatherapy line. It's just a really smooth, herbaceous lavender with a little bit of like a warmth to it. It's not as florally as just their traditional lavender. This one was originally also $13.50, so it was the same price as the water one, which was $5.46. So I got that one right there. And I think that's it on bag number 1. I have a couple more body care items for you guys. Whenever I see Aromatherapy on sale, I have to grab it. It's my favorite body care line from Bath & Body Works, probably one of the only ones I use other than when I grab sugar scrubs. This isn't gonna surprise any of you guys. I actually have a video dedicated to both of these fragrances from like 1.5 years, maybe 2 years ago. This is the body lotion, so I grabbed the Sleep, which is lavender cedarwood. And then my other favorite Aromatherapy, Comfort, which is vanilla and patchouli. Such a pretty fragrance. I actually really love using the wallflower of this one in like the fall and winter months. It's a really beautiful bedroom fragrance, powder room, bathroom fragrance, really smooth, very warm fragrance. And I love having the body care on hand. So these originally retailed for, of course, $13.50. With my coupon, they came to, I'm assuming the same, yeah, $5.66, and one was $5.67. So these were also part of the obviously 50% off, and I had the 10 off 40 coupon. So there's my lotions right there. And you guys, I only have one more item in here. So I was browsing all of the candles, and I totally missed out on the tester candles, which when I say tester candles, the little single wick candles, not the regular single wicks, but the ones for wallflowers. Sometimes at Semi you can catch them on sale super cheap. There weren't any. There was hardly any candles, at least at like 50% off. There were no 75% off candles. The only ones they had for 50% off were some Easter ones, a bunch of cactus blossom, which I like that scent, but I don't need cactus blossom. And then hidden in the corner, tucked off to the side, there was 4 of this scent. So I grabbed it, obviously, and that was none other than Paris Cafe, which I was surprised to see this on that table. If I'm not mistaken, I thought Paris Cafe was priced full price online. I remember seeing it a couple weeks ago full price online, so maybe this one just dropped down. I have always enjoyed this fragrance. I can't burn it all the time because it's so intense and so strong. But now that I'm burning like a lot of bakery, yummy type scents, I feel like this one's super, super fitting. Yes, I will be doing a review on this one if you guys are interested. Let me just read you the notes since we're here and we're talking about it. The notes for Paris Cafe include rich roasted coffee, sugar brioche, and vanilla cream. It is one of the stronger candles that Bath & Body Works makes. You can see I couldn't wait. I wound up burning this this morning before I started filming because I just love the fragrance that much. Of course, like I said, this was 50% off, so originally $24.50. With my coupon and the sale price, it came to $10.28. Not that bad, especially now that Bath & Body Works isn't doing crazy promotions on all of their candles. I couldn't pass this one. All right, you guys, and that is it on bag number 2. Like I said, not the biggest haul ever, but I was able to snag some goodies. Before I sign off, I am going to tell you guys, because I don't think I mentioned this, what my total was and what my total discounts were. So for today's haul, the total amount of discounts were 72. Yes, it was $72.25 worth of discounts, so sale prices plus coupons. Not bad. My pre-tax amount was $52, and then with tax, $55. So like I've said before, sometimes it's so hit or miss with Bath & Body Works Semi. Typically, I just expect to stock up on some body care that's on clearance, and if I find gems like tester candles or even like my Paris Cafe, I am happy I found this, by the way. Such a good candle, then I leave happy. I will wind up doing, like I said, a review on this one if you guys are interested. Will I wind up doing another semi-annual sale haul from Bath & Body Works? I don't know. There's nothing I'm really needing. I'm stocked up on BODYCARE. Doesn't seem like they're running any soap or wallflower promotions, and that's probably the only reason I would go back. The store that I wound up hauling today, this was a White Barn Plus Bath & Body Works. They're typically a little bit busier, so that means the selection gets picked through a little more quickly. There's 2 more stores in my area. One is a smaller store that's not a White Barn. Typically, that's where I wind up finding my single wick tester candles. If I do wind up going there and getting any goodies, you guys know I will haul it for you. If you guys have used any of the products, fragrances, candles, or anything else like that I talked about in today's haul, leave it in the comments below and let me know which ones are your favorites. Also, let me know what semi-annual sale looks like for you guys. I know I've heard some people getting some really good gems, and then some of you guys are just saying your store is really picked through. Nothing very surprising. That's kind of how semi-annual sale is every year with Bath & Body Works. Before I sign off, I do also want to mention to you guys, I'm on Instagram. So if you guys are on there, come find me at life, LIFE_with WITH_L. I use my Instagram to post a lot of upcoming videos, purchases, hauls, vendor wax. If you guys are into vendor wax, I've been posting all kinds of vendor wax follow-up on there. So if you're on there, come find me. And you guys, that is it for me today. As always, I hope you're having an awesome day, an awesome evening, an awesome holiday weekend. I can't believe it's already 4th of July weekend. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Be safe out there. That is it for me today. Until next time, we'll see you later.